Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide using MORPH transition in just 3 minutes. Plus, you can download this free template from the link in the description below. First of all, you're gonna remove everything from your slide and go to format background and give it a picture texture fill, and you're gonna insert your image. So here you go. I'll insert this image, close the format background. You're gonna go to Smart Art, and then we're gonna insert this architect's infographic, and we're gonna put it right here. Increase its size, and what you're gonna do is just ungroup it by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and G keys about 2 times. The next thing you're gonna do is move it into the middle of your slide and resize it. We're gonna go to remove all of it, the outline, select all of it, remove its outline, and then you have to go to format background, format shape, and then you're gonna click on slide background fill, give it the shadow of the fifth number, increase its size if you want, and change its color to white, or you can just keep it as black according to your image. Now close the format background panel and cover the entire slide with a rectangle. Send it to the back and give it a gradient stop of 2 colors, one black and the other one black as well. Give it the left to right direction, and we're going to give the transparency of 100% to one of the eyedropper, and for the other one I'm just going to use 0% transparency, and the 50% transparency gradient stop have to be onto the right side so that we can see our like the shape clearly, because the shadow is not making it look real. So what we're going to do is insert a text. First of all, we're gonna insert a text box from the insert tab on it, and in which we're gonna write a title. And now let's change its color to white and increase its size. And then what we're gonna do is put the content text right below the title. And here you go. We're gonna give it some line spacing and change its fill to white. Select both the text boxes and then put them into the middle of your slide and duplicate your slide. Go to format background, and you're gonna insert another new image in it. So as you can see, this image is not complete, so I'll just give it some offset, and using offset option I'm gonna give it this fill of the image. So for the background we can use crop option, so we'll use offset option. So what we're going to do is next resize and reposition these rectangles. Duplicate your slide, insert another new image as the background, and then what you're going to do is duplicate the slide again and change the background with a brand new image. So the image I'm using is this one with a purple background, and we're going to reposition the rectangles. Let's just move one right here and one to the right side. Now what you're going to do is select all of your slides. First of all, let me just change this first image because this is not really to be seen, so I'll just change it so that we can clearly see our text and the rectangle. So the image I'm using is this one. Now select all of your slides, go to transitions tab, and then give them morph transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, plus also download this free template from the link in the description below.